To use the WhatsApp call for meetings, you can just copy the WhatsApp link and go to custom locations. Add the link here. Let's say name it WhatsApp call. Save it. We have added the custom location here. Now just save your event. When someone book an appointment with you, they would be able to see that the call is going to be happen on WhatsApp. Just select a date. Now, when a booking has been confirmed, yeah, the joining link can be seen here on the confirmation screen as well, and the admin can find it on the bookings page as well. When a appointment has been confirmed, that this appointment has been confirmed, and it has the WhatsApp link to join on the particular scheduled date and time. The SMS and the email reminder will also have this WhatsApp link to join the booking on the scheduled time.